Alright, this is going to be a filing and shaping tutorial on how I use my Mani Pro nail drill. Okay, we're using a safety bit, carbide bit, and we're going to shape out the nail. So let's get started. What I like to do is go around the smile line first. Good thing about the safety bit is you don't have to worry about cutting your client, your friend, your mother, whoever you're doing. Okay, and I like to do it, like I said, in sections. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. You can always go around your cuticle area. Just to get the shape you want. Okay? And that's how I use my Mani Pro. And I love it, actually. This is the best investment that I could have made. And like I said, you could buy this right now. It's $140, no, $160. And then you have to pay extra for your bits, but it's well worth the money. Thanks for viewing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.